What is it, Miss Zulu? Do you want to go outside? Is that what it is? Are we going outside? How about it? Let's go. Who wants to go? Let's go. Yeah, you guys are ready, huh? You guys are ready to go outside? All right, let's do this. Into the backyard we go. All right. Oh, wow. Where's Zulu? There she is. What's up, girlie? It is windy out here today. Very windy, right, Zulu? Right, Zinga? Yeah, it's a windy one. For sure. Okay, where are you guys going? We gotta go check out the smells in the grass and maybe water the lawn a little bit. Something must smell good right there. All right, well, I think they're getting ready to water the lawn. Maybe? I don't know. You never know what these two are going to do when they're in the grass or on the rocks. All right, she's doing her thing. And he might be hunting for a spot as well. Whoa, where's she off to? Let's go. Whoa! I thought you were going to run. Come on, let's go. Where are we going? Are you going to chase your tail? Oh, okay. Well, personal cleansing. Okay, well, there's nowhere for me to point the camera. Everywhere I look, there's a dog doing something we don't want on camera. What are we going to do? Dogs will be dogs, right? Let's widen this up a little bit. There we go. Might make it a little easier to see everybody. I've got the camera down really low right now so that you guys can see them at their level. It's a little awkward to hold the pole this way, but it's better than looking down at the doggies. You can see what they see right the way they see it, even like really up close. What are you eating? What are you eating? Are you eating a weed? She's like, I want it too. I want it too. Uh-huh. What do you smell, girl? What do you smell? Zulu! Oh, Zinga, you bumped the camera. Okay, guys, are we going to settle down and lay on the deck here, or what? It is a beautiful day out here. Just enough clouds right now to cover the sun. It's really quite nice. The wind is blowing the camera all over. It's funny. It's so windy that it's swinging back and forth. All right, now we're going to go around here and capture Zinga Ray's face. Maybe. Well, maybe we'll just stay over here with Zinga's tail in the foreground and Zulu in the background. How about that? Zinga, what is that on your eye, buddy? Gotta get rid of that. What are you looking at? What do you see? All right, let's go take a quick journey over here and check on some plants. Oh, you coming along with me? Nice. So right here we got some, what I'm calling wild oregano. I forget what it's actually called, but it is a form of oregano. These leaves are really strong oregano scent. I have cooked with them before, but I usually don't. And then I've got my way out of control rosemary plant and a couple jalapenos. Those of you who watched one of my recent live streams saw these guys. We've got 2 jalapenos left. I got flowers here and here, so we got more coming. That's good. Looks like we got more buds over here. That's good. This is a healthy plant. And the most amazing part is all I did was plant some seeds from an existing jalapeno and it just came up on its own. That's pretty cool. All right, well, I think that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you for joining us in yet another backyard adventure. Not much of an adventure, right, Zulu? But we love sharing these beautiful faces with you. Well, the other end, not that end. See you guys.